Hi, in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to tell time in Norwegian. To ask time in Norwegian, we say
Hva klokka?
or
Hvor mye klokka?
what is the time? The answer would be
Klokka 5.
it is 5 o'clock or
Den 5.
it is 5. Since klokke can be both feminine and masculine, we can also say klokken er. On the screen, you can see the hours we use in Norwegian. So we could say
Klokka 1.
it is 1 o'clock,
Klokka 3.
it is 3 o'clock. Now let's take a look at the minutes. We use over, which means past in Norwegian, for until 15 minutes. And we use på, which means to, also for until 15 minutes. For example,
4:05.
5 past 4,
4:10.
10 past 4,
4:15.
quarter past 4. Similarly, we say
4:05.
5 to 4,
4:10.
10 to 4,
4:15.
quarter to 4. Let's learn now how to say half past. Take a look at these examples.
4:30. 9:30.
As you can see, in Norwegian, we don't really say half past, but we say half to. So half past 5 would be
5:30.
half past 2 would be,
2:30.
so it's not half an hour past a particular hour, but it's half an hour until the next hour. So far, we have learned how to say quarter to, quarter past, half past. Now let's learn the time in between. Take a look at the following example. 20 past 4.
4:10.
To say 20 past, we'll literally say 10 to half 2. So 20 past 4,
4:10.
25 past 4,
5:30.
it means that you have to count minutes until half. 20, 10 på halv. 25, 5 på halv. How to say 22 or 25 to? Take a look at the following example. 20 to 5,
5:10.
25 to 5.
5:05.
So to say 20, 25 to, we have to say 10 past half or 5 past half. Another example.
10:10. 5:10.
So when telling time in Norwegian, you sometimes have to do a little bit of math.